In this video, I'll show you how to check your saved posts on Facebook step by step. Saving posts lets you bookmark content so you can easily come back to it later without having to search for it again. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon in the bottom or top corner of the screen, depending on your device. Scroll down and tap Saved. If you don't see it right away, tap See More to view additional menu options. Once you're in the Saved section, you'll see all the posts, videos, links, marketplace listings, and other content you've saved. You can scroll through the list or use the available filters to browse specific types of saved items if that option appears in your app. Tap any saved post to open and view it. If you no longer want to keep an item, open it, tap the three-dot menu, and select Unsave or Remove from Saved. Your changes will be saved immediately. Continue using the Saved section to organize and revisit content that interests you whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.